Did you see that?
No, you gotta move. Work to get done.
Thank
She was not driving her car.
Terrible, Meredith. She should like up close to like I do.
Hey, chill, okay?
Hey, Charlie's here, huh?
Yeah. I have her on a leash.
See, her head is better.
I like her like that.
Thanks.
Cute.
Thank you so much.
It's cute for a red.
What's up, me? What's up, player?
Yeah, hello. There's so much dog hair in there, I have to wait till I get it detailed.
Thank you. Hey, Mindy. Meredith is lying. How many times have you ever gone out, stressed out, gotten your hair done, multiple process for a friend?
That had nothing. I didn't know I was gonna eat this.
Yeah, sounds like lies. Crazy. Throat punching people?
1 year old. Yeah. I can't be.
She said 21.
I can't be. You know.
Rosie said you look like you had a hard life. Message.
I did.
Totally hard.
She's like, I did my daddy's
Hey.
fridge.
This is
Get this part. So you see where the diamond's at, right? Gotta get that out somehow.
Where's the diamond?
You see the diamond right there?
No. They can't see it. Okay, the dime's like right. Point at it.
Right there.
Okay.
Hold on.
Whatever. You wanna fight?
And I'm like, she is.
She has a loud laugh, guys.
Yeah, her laugh is one of a kind. It's on the driver's seat.
Bye.
So she won't-
Bye. Thank you so much.
Oh, is it a half? Okay. Do it right now.
The seat is so.
Well, then adjust it. You're the one driving.
I'm gonna die next week.
All right, take your seatbelt off. Yay, it works. Ta-da! Hey, the airbag's all boom!
I'm telling you, that's why I feel like I'm gonna I might die next week. Like, you know, get in an accident. He didn't put my seat back right.
No.
I totally trust you.
Yeah, I was like, I told him do it.
Daniel.
I like find bolts. I find bolts. Yeah.
What?
You put all the bolts back, right?
Yeah, man, you're good. Oh, God. Crazy ass Meredith.
Bye. Drive safe.